Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking in what matters. Pick 1 to 3 clear goals for this session so you don't drift. Once chosen, gather only the essentials, syllabus, class notes, one primary textbook, and a synced digital copy to avoid context switching. Then set a timed block of focused work, typically 25 to 50 minutes, and put your phone on Do Not Disturb. This immediate action reduces start friction and primes your brain to work efficiently from minute 1. You now move into sustained execution. Begin with an active method like self-testing or teaching the concept aloud to yourself, because active recall beats passive review. Break complex chapters into 15 to 30-minute subtasks so each block has a clear deliverable, and use short breaks to reset focus. Make sure to mark completed subtasks visibly and adjust the next block's difficulty if you're bored or overwhelmed. That feedback loop keeps momentum and avoids wasting time. You conclude by consolidating. Spend 10 to 15 minutes summarizing what you learned and updating flashcards or a quick outline so memory traces strengthen. Once done, plan the next session with 1 to 3 follow-up tasks and a time estimate to maintain continuity. If you get stuck or progress stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Switch to a different resource, narrow the scope, or ask a peer or teacher within 24 hours so confusion doesn't fossilize. Small corrections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.